Uy! Jasper. What is that drone, Jasper? That's not a bird. The drone don't like camera. Camera shy?
It might be. It might be.
Even the drone camera shy now? Oh my gosh.
Oh, it don't like the fucking deck. Wow.
I'm still here. I keep following you. Kayla, you need to try, experience it.
Huh? Oh.
Where is it now, loves?
Why don't you use this? Oh, low battery, dude.
Loves, you look like
What's the battery at?
You look like Batman.
26%.
Yeah, you're alright.
How the hell?
That's cool.
It's going up.
Where is it now? Hello, it's gone. It's already gone. Come back, come back. Where is it?
Might be wind.
Blew it? Oh. Maybe it's far now.
No.
Where are you now?
Yeah, it's over here.
Jasper is there.
There he is. Yeah.
And Kyla is there. Oh, my garden is there. That's cool. Oh, this is cool. That's the house. Where is it? Over there. Oh, wow. It's beautiful.
You better bring it back.
She's worried.
She is worried.
I'm scared the wind's gonna blow it away.
There's 400 feet.
Oh, it's so high.
See, look at all that we can see.
Where is it?
At the top of the property.
Yeah, look. It circled the earth.
Yeah.
You can see it. It's
Oh no, I
circled.
can't see it.
Because I'm covering. Here you go. Wave, mother, wave, mother, wave, wave. That's cool.
Mom's turn.
Oh, you want to try?
No, it's not Mom's turn.
Why not?
Oh, something happens to it,
You just got to buy me a new one.
I would not.
Why not?
Because I wouldn't.
Why?
She's kuripot na. I don't know in English. In English, the kuripot. Oh, it's landed slowly. Ah, that's cool.
Why didn't you want to fly it?
I don't know. No, so something happened to it.
Hey, you just have to